Dear, good morning. How are you doing? My name is Loretta from Sky High Marketing. We reached out the other day and promised you a video, so here it is. I just wanted to show you 3 tips you can use and really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let's get started. You have done some good stuff in here. Congratulations. You have a form submitted here, and then you have another form here as well, and that's good. You have quite a few images here and there, so a lot of good things. But one thing I will suggest though is you do not have a lot of content, which is one of the most important things. Content is anything that you can highlight, whether they are pictures, words, any of that you can highlight. They are all content. So let's check out your competition. So these guys here, Fort Bend Brothers, looking at their website, let's go to their homepage. So this is their homepage. Looking at their site, they have a lot of content, a lot of more pictures than you do. And when you see here, their pictures are kind of clickable. Like you click them and then they take you to another page where you will know more about the pictures. So that's pretty good thing, and that's what Google are looking for. You need content, and then you need some clickable pictures and some clickable words or keywords. So those are really the most important thing I see that you do not have on your site. So if I have to be the one to review your website, there are 2 things we have to do. First, we have to have at least 1,500 content and probably a lot more content in order to beat your competition, content-wise. Yes, you can see they have a lot of content, so you have to have at least 1,500, okay? And secondly, we have to have keywords in here. For example, this keyword in here, Richmond sprinkler repair. If you have this more than 2 places, multiple places in here on the home page, when somebody went and they Google that, you will be really relevant, and Google will be willing to put you at the top of Google Map or at the organic section. In addition, the more content you have, the more knowledgeable Google thinks you are. So if you have more content, Google will think that you are more knowledgeable. So that's something you have to have in mind. So I went ahead and Googled landscape in Richmond, Texas. This right here is called Map Park. And these 3 listings here are the ones that are receiving a lot of work. And the reason why they are here is because they are pretty easy to find, and you can see them as soon as you come in here. There are some other reasons why they are listed here at the Google Map Park area. The first reason is having a Google business profile. And secondly, optimizing as much as possible, that is making it better, perfect, or effective. And the third one is getting your name, address, and phone number into many directories as possible. So this side right here, this section is called organic section. And when you look here, this is your competition, Fort Bend Brothers. They are being found here at the organic section and up here as well at the Map Park section. So they're doing pretty well. This is a paid program I normally use to research on websites. It's called Ahrefs. So I went on and put your business name here to see what you're ranking and how you're doing with the numbers. So I'm looking at your numbers. You have pretty good numbers. They are backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, and organic traffic. Your numbers are pretty amazing. And let's look at your competition. I'll come back here and explain something to you. Let's look at your competition. So this is Fort Bend Brothers. I checked their numbers as well. As you can see, most of your numbers are better than theirs. But for some reason, they are ranking more than you do, and I will explain to you in a minute. So this number right here, let me go back to yours. So this DR number right here, DR is a very important to where you fall within the Google search results. ADR ratings are a powerful ratings with Google. So you are pretty more powerful than your opponent. These numbers are generally increased by the amount of backlinks you have on this site. And backlinks is a shout out or a click of a button from another site. For example, if a blogging website have written an article on Fort Bend Brothers as the best landscaping companies in Richmond, Texas, and the nearby areas, everybody should go check them out, and they have a clickable button back to their website. That would be called a backlink. So one thing I can see here that they have more than you do is organic keywords. Let's go in here and see. So these are your organic keywords, and you have pretty much some local keywords like sprinkler repair, Fort Bend, sprinkler repair, Houston. So as you can see here, the volumes, sprinkler repair near me. People normally search for this. So you have quite big numbers on some of these keywords. But you should know that all keywords are not created equal. So that's why some of the numbers are higher and some of them are low. So you are doing pretty much here. And let's see your opponent. They have pretty much more keywords than you do. And let's go in there and see. So looking at their keywords, they have mostly like local Richmond, Texas, Christmas lights in Richmond, Texas, Sugarland, landscaping. So they have pretty much another Richmond, and wow, they have pretty much some good keywords. So the only problem I see on yours is most of your keywords are kind of national keywords, and they are pretty bit a little bit further out keywords. So you want to be able to rank more on the local keywords. And another thing I will suggest here that you are lacking mostly is, sorry, this is their site. So here's your site. Another thing I will suggest here is more of content. They are beating you so much on the content. So with that, you'll be able to rank more on the on most of the things that you are lacking, and be able to come up here at the map pack area and then the organic section as well. I hope this has been very helpful and informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I would love to hear your feedback on this video. Thanks and have a great day.